Hi everyone, I'm Tatiana and welcome to my channel Water Lily 48. Today I'm going to share some awesome video footage I took during GSIC 2024 during Skywatch. I took a grand total of 23 videos. However, 5 of those videos I caught craft from the Galactic Federation of Worlds and the Earth Alliance. Now, why is this so special? First off, it was a very, very big promise from Elena Danaan and her contact, High Commander Thor Eredyon of the Galactic Federation of Worlds, to promise ships from the Galactic Federation of Worlds. But not only did he provide the ships from the Federation of Worlds, he worked together with the Earth Alliance, and they were able to provide a TR-3B to fly below the distance of the Galactic Federation of Worlds ships. See, with the different ships, the Galactic Federation of Worlds are only allowed to fly above a certain height. They can't go any further than that. So the Earth Alliance ships can fly lower than that because they are nearby with a NORAD location that is very close to the Westminster Hotel where the event took place. And it's a great show of unity between the Galactic Federation of Worlds and the Earth Alliance. And you really see our present becoming our future, and it's awesome. And it's several people from several different places coming together and working together for peace and unity and working to create something positive and awesome. So, before I present the ships, there are a few other things I would like to mention. The ships I did catch were a fleet of scout ships from the Galactic Federation of Worlds. The Earth Alliance ship was a TR-3B, a triangular ship. The first two videos weren't as clear because I was taking this in real time and I didn't know where everything was going to be coming from. So they're not as clear as the last three videos. So they're going to have arrows pointing to what they are and listing the names of the ships in the beginning. And video one is not going to be listed as video one, but the rest will be listed as video two, video three, video four, video five, just to make it a little bit easier. I wasn't adding too much titles because I wanted the footage to be as untainted as possible. I did not zoom in because I think it is important to see how it was actually captured. This is my own video footage. I know there has been footage out there, and that's awesome. This is just me adding my piece to the puzzle, showing that, yes, this was a real event. This was a very cool thing that happened, and it was real. I was one of the several witnesses there, so I can say that it actually happened. And if you weren't there, now you get to see more of that. I would also like to note that TR-3Bs are not birds. Birds don't have lights, and birds don't fly hypersonic. Birds also can't fly as high as the ships flew. So I highly suggest sit back, relax, and watch the awesome footage.
My good old friend Ian has the ability to remove just passed by, triangle ship. Have you seen it? And it disappeared now.
It's a fleet flying together, guys. Do you see where we're pointing the laser? Yeah. There's a fleet flying together. Yeah. They look like birds. They're not birds. They fly. Did you guys see that?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, where?
Oh my god, that's not birds. You see them on the right?
Yep.
They're flashing their lights. That's a real show.
And I would also like to thank Dani Henderson, Elena Danaan's contact, High Commander Thor Eredyon, all of the personnel that were a part of the Galactic Federation of Worlds and Earth Alliance, and all of the wonderful people at GSIC. You all rocked. Thank you for making that night super memorable in both my heart and in history.